Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally, we have here the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so let's see if what this smartwatch has to offer. Okay, so it is a, let me see here, it is a 49mm smartwatch with a space aluminum case. Okay, it's a T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so we're going to have the unboxing of this smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, it uses the Smartwatch Support App. Previously, we have the T800 Ultra smartwatch, okay, with a space gray aluminum case. Okay, and it is using the Smartwatch Pro. So this time, I don't know if this is an upgrade or just a rebrand. But as you can see here, it's a T900 Ultra with a sports looking design. And what else? It's a 49mm smartwatch. So let's see. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the this video review, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are ready now. So let's check. Let's have the unboxing. Okay, so let's remove the plastic here. I do believe that we do have an orange strap. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have the user manual here. T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so the same application. Sometimes the application is not the same with the user manual. Okay, so we have the T900 Plus or Smartwatch Plus. Okay, support app for the T900 smartwatch. And we have the orange sports strap, wireless charging cable here, and again, what's the color here? We do have space aluminum. Okay, so let's try to remove this. Okay, finally we have here the smartwatch. Let's see, looking good. So glossy aluminum body frame here. Okay, much better than the, I guess it's much better than the space gray. Okay, let's have a comparison. As you can see here, let's have a closer look. Okay, so this is your aluminum color, and we have here is the space gray. Okay, so going back to the design. Okay, let's remove this. So we have the crown button here, bell-shaped button. We do have a mic hole. Okay, the other side we have this orange button. It is a bit different as it is much, okay, I don't know if this is plastic. It is glossy type. And we do have the speaker. Okay, for some it is metallic. This one, it looks like plastic. I'm not sure. Let me compare it with the other one. Okay, you see it here. You see the difference. Okay, I think this one is much better on the T800 compared to the T900. Okay, the back, So we have, so this is not a real screw, it's a fake screw. Okay, just a drawing. And of course, it doesn't support, of course, a watch strap lock. This is just a graphic. Okay, do we have that? We do have here the sensor. Okay, let's check the weight before we attach the strap. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, we have 36.98, so almost 37 grams. Okay, then let's check the dimension. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let me measure. Okay, so let's check it here. So we have the dimension. So it seems like it says here we do have a 44. So it says on the box it's 49. Okay, but we'll see. We will compare it later with a 49mm and see whether it's just in marketing. And we have here, I think, 34. Okay, so let's have, to make it sure, let's have a 49mm smartwatch. I guess we have one here. Okay, let me look. Okay, so I have here a 49mm smartwatch, and this is our, it says 49. Let's see. I don't think it's 49. It's somewhat 49, but it is much slimmer, I think. Much smaller, as you can see here. Okay, see the size difference. So it's not really 49mm. Let me, okay, so it's a bit smaller, as you can see here. Okay, you see the edge. Okay, so it's not a 49mm. Okay, it says here it's 49. I guess it's a 45mm smartwatch. Okay, so let's put on the strap and see how the smartwatch really looks like. Okay, when the strap is attached. So this is force fitting, no lock for the strap. Okay, so let's see. Can we attach it easily? Okay. Okay, so we successfully attached the first one. Let's have the second one. Okay, so that's it. Okay, this is your T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, it looks so beautiful here. It looks nice. Okay, and when put it side by side with a 49mm, you barely notice the size difference here. Okay, just a minor difference. Okay, but with the crown button you can really see the obvious difference of the crown button. For the 49mm version, we do have a much bigger crown button here, as well as the pill shape button, and of course the action button here, the orange action button. Okay, I also noticed it here. Okay, the speaker's not, the hole here is not complete. Okay, unlike the 49mm. Okay, so this is the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. It's a premium, okay, 49mm ultra watch clone. Okay, anyway, if all you want is just see an affordable smartwatch, okay, seems like this one is good. Okay, the design is good. Okay, let's see about the features later on. Okay, let's check if there's still power left and see. Okay, if we have a battery left. Okay, okay, we still have. You have here message hello. Okay, so very bright. Okay, sharp screen display here. Let me check the specs. Okay, as confirmed on the specs here, so the box says it's 49mm. Here we do have a 44.5 by 38 by 14mm. Okay, 1.81 inch LCD. This is IPS LCD screen with a 250 by 285 pixel resolution. Okay, average screen resolution as well as the screen size. We do have a dual Bluetooth 4.0 and 5.0 support, and it comes with a Bluetooth call, wireless charging. Okay, so it's a decent smartwatch. Okay, with a microphone. What else? What are the features here? Okay, available in different languages. Okay, so it has several features here. Okay, one touch of the button to operate. Okay, it has blood pressure, AI, and watch faces, multi-language support. Okay, long battery life. So again, this is your T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, you can check the complete specs below. Okay, so this is the design of your T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, that is for the message notification. Watch faces. Okay, so later on we're going to check on the menus of the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, just check out our next video for this wearable. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.